Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Ginny. Today I'm going to share with you this lovely card made with a simple masking technique and the In the Moment stamp set. I think you're really going to enjoy this stamp set with its sketched images and lovely sentiments. So let me set this aside and I'll show you how I got started. I'm ready to start my stamping. I've stamped on my Post-it note or masking paper and I've trimmed my girl out. And so I'm ready to stamp my image here. And I'm going to stamp that right in the center of my basic white with the memento. And then I'm going to set my mask right on top. There we go. Once I've got my mask in place, I'm ready to bring in my blending brush and my classic ink, and I'm going to pick up that ink, tap on my mask, and then kind of swirl, being careful not to lift the mask up. Now I can add a little more color here along the bench and then lighten my color as I go up. Now depending on where the sticky is on your mask, you'll want to be careful to hold the mask down so the color doesn't go underneath. Once I have the color applied the way I'd like to in the depth, I can remove the mask. So I'm just going to go around her one more time just to bring that in. And there we go. We've got this beautiful image that's monochromatic in the pool party. And I'm ready to start building my card front. Okay, I'm going to bring in my designer series paper and I'm just setting my image there as a mask so that I know where it's going on my card front and I know where to stamp. So I'm going to stamp in this lower right hand corner. There we go. And I'm finished stamping and I can start assembly. I've got my basic white cardstock and I'm going to fold that on the score line, and then I'm going to attach my designer series paper to the bottom. This happens to be from our Hostess pack and is just a simply wonderful value when you place a qualifying order or you hold a private party, whether online or with friends. And I've got that adhered down now, and I'm going to bring in my basic white image here that we stamped, and I'm going to attach that to my Mint Macron cardstock. Once I've got that in place, I'm going to flip it over and add some dimensionals. I really love this monochromatic look with the masking and think it really creates an elegant card that's simply lovely. So now that I've got my image in place, I'm going to bring in my elegant faceted gems. For this project, I'm going to take some of these vanilla ones. I think it'll pick up the coloring nicely. And I'm going to pop a couple of them around the card front, just quickly and easily there, just for a little bit of shimmer and shine to add to the elegance. So there you go, a quick and easy card using the In the Moment stamp set. And of course, if you'd like any of these products, feel free to stop by my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Ginny. Thanks for joining me.